Hi everyone, my name is Frank Zach. I'm an associate of Neiman Marcus and I work in the restaurant offices. I'm the beverage director for the restaurants. I get the fun job of creating and bringing to you every day those fun cocktails on the menu. You know, during this time of social distancing, many of us are looking through our cabinets and of course our refrigerators as well too, and we're looking for things to be able to bring to all the virtual happy hours that we've been invited to. Today, we are making something super simple and easy and very refreshing. Okay? We're going to do a take on a Pimm's cup. You know, it's served in Wimbledon out of a tap. However, today it's going to be a snap. Okay? So we start with 1 ounce of gin. Our preferred gin is Aviation American gin. It goes into a tall glass filled with ice. Followed by 1 ounce of Pimm's, number 1. Gives it a little bit of color. It's an herbal digestif made from gin. Also 1 ounce of lemon juice. Then topped with Q ginger beer as well. Give it a little stir, and then garnish with cucumber. It can be sliced, or you can put it onto a peeler to create like a long, beautiful decoration that goes through the inside of the glass and swirls around. Also, you finish it off with a little sprig of mint, and you are ready to enjoy. Now remember, we're in this together. We invite you to post your videos and your photos to our NM Together hashtag. And we look forward to seeing you very soon in our restaurants to enjoy a drink. Cheers.